Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? In this one we have another eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be of course testing on my eyes today, and it happens to be Morphe X James Charles Artistry eyeshadow palette that I know a lot of you have been waiting for a tutorial on this palette, and here we are today. Finally she has time to actually go ahead and create eye look. So yeah, I have used a few of the shades right at the bottom here. So this is the eye makeup look that I came up with, and gosh, it is so hot in here. I am boiling. Summer, hello German summer. Yeah, it's really hot in here. I have the windows open, the fan is on, but it does not help. It's just too hot. My gosh, I am boiling in here. Anyway, back to the makeup. So yeah, I finally had the chance to use the palette, you guys. So I hope you are going to enjoy this makeup look. I do love the colors that I have used for this eye look. The selection I think looks beautiful. They go well together. I love the yellow, the blue, the purple and the pink. I think they look beautiful together. It's summer, it's bright, and yeah, one thing I would say about this eyeshadow palette is that I would have loved to see the names of the eyeshadow themselves, printed right at the bottom or somewhere rather than on this plastic thingy, because I always lose this, you guys. I mean, comment in the section below if you still have these in all of your eyeshadow palette that come with this, because I lost mine way long time ago. So yeah, it will be much easy if the names are here so that you can just point, hey, I'm using shade number this, rather than having the names in here. Anyway, that's just me. I'm not sure how other people feel. Also, the other thing, the mirror, this palette is huge. Could have been nice to have a mirror in here, because I keep looking on here to see if I can find a mirror, but I'm forgetting this palette does not come with a mirror, so I have to use a different mirror. But yeah, those are the only two things that I wish this palette has: a mirror and also the names printed here. But that's just my opinion, that's just how I feel, but I'm not sure, maybe other people are happy the way it is. But you guys, the quality of the shades that I have used for this eye makeup look, absolutely up there, beautiful. I love the blendability. The shades that I have used, I did not experience any trouble like patchiness or anything like that. They were fully pigmented and they blended beautifully, no issue at all. Of course, I did I get a bit of kickback in some of the mattes, but not too much to the extreme, just a little bit of kickback. You can see a bit of fallout in the pan, but like I said, not to the extreme. I know a lot of people do mind about that, so I just had to point that out. But anyway, the quality is amazing. I do love the color payoff, and the colors in this palette, the one that I have used, it's like you dip into the pan, you apply on your eyes, it's straight away you see the color, which I love, because I know a lot of shades sometimes it's quite hard to actually get the color to show up. You have to pack them back and forth in order to actually for the color to show up. But the shade that I have used today, yeah, it was amazing. It was really, really good. So I am loving this so far. Of course, I have loads of other shades in here that I may be testing in the future. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you would love to see what kind of look you want to see me create using some of these shades in here, because there are just lots of them. And another thing I want to point out is that I do appreciate the fact that we get these larger pans in the center, because for me, like these shades here, the black one and those brown shade, I do use those a lot. So I like the fact that we get them in the bigger pan, because I just go through them like that. So yeah, and also this shade here, for your inner corners, for the lid, those one we use them a lot as well. So to get them in a bigger pan, that is amazing. So yeah, that's just something to point out, that I do love the fact that we have them in bigger pans, because some of us, we use those almost like every day, because I can just create like like a brownie kind of like everyday look using these shades over here, and maybe just add a little bit of the black in the outer, smoke it out for the night if I want to switch it up from day to night. So I do like the idea of that. But anyway, enough talking, let me start showing you guys how I was able to achieve this eye makeup look that you see over here. Give this video a thumbs up if of course you like this kind of videos, of course. Yeah, all right, here we go.